Hello, this is Henry Greiner, and I am giving you a video here to show you the CleanTalk anti-spam service that I've been using on your website. I've been using this on all of my client websites for the last several months. Earlier in the year, some of my own websites as well as client websites were finding more and more spam, sometimes really nasty spam in comments on their blogs. And also, if you have a contact form, you were getting emails with contact information that was spammy, sometimes really bad stuff. So I instituted this system, added the tool to your websites, and have been paying for this service as part of your monthly fees. I've been including this at no additional charge. So my payments will be expiring by the 16th, 17th of December. And so I will be turning that off in about a week's time. And then if you start seeing that you're getting spam in your comments or in your forms that you have for people to fill out, I'd recommend that you click on the link. You'll be taken to this page. You can see here for $12 a year, you can get your own single copy of the website protection, your anti-spam service. And if you click on the 7-day free trial, you can see what it will do for 7 days. There's information down here. So one of the cool things about this is that this tool, when you have this, you don't have to turn on some of the CAPTCHA and question and answer tools that we've used in the past to try to filter out some of the spam. That really quit working pretty much here this last year. So $12 a year, $1 a month for each of your websites. If you have 2 or more websites, you can see the pricing on there. And I really encourage you to go ahead and get that. Again, you will have this turned off. I will be turning this service off about the 15th, 16th of this month, and I will not be paying for this service anymore going forward. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for your time.